ಕಾಲು ಹೊಡಿಬಾರ್ದು, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಾಲು ಹೊಡಿಬಾರ್ದು, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಾಲು ಹೊಡಿಬಾರ್ದು, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲೇ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ಹೊಸ ಮಕ್ಕಳು 4 ಜನ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನೀನು ಇಳಿಬೇಡ, ನೀನು ನಾನು ಇಳಿಬೇಕಾ? ನಾನು ಇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ನೀರಕ್ಕ ನೀನು ಇಳಿತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳಿತೀಯಾ? ನಾನು ಇಳಿತೀನಿ ಬಾ. First we go to bubble. Down. ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಡಾಡಿ ಬರೋಣ. Stand your place. Stand your place. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Stand your hobby.
Focus on your listen. Ready? 10 times. 2 times finish. Now 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 4 times. Them. 6. Don't touch the goggles. Okay. Just focus it in your one. You are learning. Understand? 1, 2, 3. 7th one. 7th one. 8. Bubbles. Take. 9. Take more air. Bubbles. Last one. 10th. 1, 2, 3. 10th one. Now, walk and bubbles. Walk. In bubbles. Okay. 2 rounds. 1, 2, 3. Walk. Take more air. 15 without. Just walk. Take distance. Take distance. Take distance. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Walk it. Don't keep it in more. Ma, listen, ma, what is your name? Don't keep it like that. Okay. Where your goggles? Where your goggles? Just focus it. Move. Just focus it. Move. Don't touch any cap or goggles. Just move it. Take more air and bubble. Stop. Move. Fastly move. Understand? Last one more time. Okay? Then after go to here. One more time. Like that. Ready? Right. Stand. Ready? Take more. Move. Last round. Coming. Don't touch the goggles. Don't touch the cap. Just move it. Come. 1, 2, 3. Take more air bubbles. Give more bubbles out. Down your head. बराबर Okay. Listen now. Float is very important.
हमें प्रोटेक्ट करनी
What we do means you leave and all body you can let in water. Understand? Okay, don't take up. Okay. If you want, you can stand middle. If you want air, just stand. Okay. Otherwise, you don't take. Okay, you not go to under the water. Understand? Water is not safe for you. Okay. Take more air. First listen me. Okay. Take back. Don't come on. Just listen first. Understand? Take position here. Not first I am coming. Okay. After. Understand? Don't. I not in 8-10 days I not any body balance. Just we are float. Just we are float in water. Understand? Don't shake up. Okay? Don't stand here. If you want to breathe, stand up. No problem. Ready? Position 2 members first. Wait. Hello, 1, 2 members. Take back to 1. Just push it. Come up. First 2 members. 1, 2, 3. Understand me? If you want, just continue. Understand? Understand? To stand, no problem. But stay very important. Understand? Can you want 2 members? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Very good. Coming. Continue. Still continue. Coming. Next 2 members. Come on. Try. Try to leave your legs. Leave your legs, no problem. Try to leave it. See, leave your legs. So you come back, no? Leave your legs. Yes, very good. Don't stand now. And this is not more water is there under. Okay, just leg will be straight, easy. Next, आराम हो गया. ये नहीं. No any problem. Right. If not right, yes. Don't stand. Take more work. Take more air. Wait. Relax. 1, 2, 3. Legs tight. Yes. Coming. Understand? Huh? When you are coming float, you go to easy, step by step. Go to good swim. Understand? Very good. Get distance. Get more distance. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Everyone. Try. Don't see your friends. Do your work. Focus it front view. Yes. Continue. You pray because they are everything you should understand. So you focus it more. Understand? Everyone go to it. It is good. You also try to good. Understand? 1, 2, 3. Tight mark. Right. Continue. That's right. Stand. Continue. 1, 2, 3. Continue. Yes. Wait. Continue. Hey, push up. Continue. Listen your focus. Don't see your friends. Just focus it and move. Listen. One time finish. Last 2 times. Understand? Last 2 times. Listen. Albert. After Kalyan. Stop. You learn how to do. Listen, ma. Just. Understand? Important. After we go to due to chance for leg. Last second round. Ready? After second round. 1, 2, 3, step. Don't leg movement. Only flow. That's very good. Right. Coming. Don't see me. Focus you. Listen the words. Just move it. Yes. Idea is there. Idea is there. Try it. Try it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Come in. Don't hand movements. Okay. Just flow. Just flow. Just flow. Just flow. Move. Move. Continue. Continue. Don't stand. Do one. Last round. Ready? Last round. After we go to. Ready?
उधर पे
Listen. When I give you last time
पानी
of
गली
15 minutes kneeling, that time you
छोड़ो
try
तो वीडियो
all use
ये पानी पूरी गंगा देखो
leg movement only. Don't try to hand movement. Just leg movement. Only leg movement. Leg, how to do leg movement? Like that position. This is tight. Everyone sit to your place. Sit to your place. Little bit go. Little bit move. Little bit move. Little bit move. Yes. Take your fingers. Take your fingers and back one. Okay. Just take your fingers. Take your fingers. Take your fingers. Not like that. Not like that. Okay. Just take your fingers. Just. Do 50 counts. Not you doing like that. This is wrong. This is this part. Listen, like that. Take your fingers. Just one leg. Slow. Slow. So don't do like that. Stand slowly. 50 times. Not coming like that. You must take more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
उधर ना कभी
9, 10, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, coming. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like 1, 2,
हमारा दिखत नहीं भाई जो
4, 5. Everyone, this is very more important. When you go to deep, at same distance you are going to miss, they are going to success. Understand? First listen, it's very important step. What's up?
ठंड मारती
Yes, leg. Yes, leg. Ready? Listen, 3 members first. 3 members down. 3 members down. Listen now, right? 1, 2,
क्या हाँ
3. Right, continue, right, move.
Then
3, continue. 5 times. Ready, 1, 2, 3. अब कोने में खड़े होकर कोशिश पकड़ रखी है
उतारा ना को ये क्या फजरी देखने ये क्या फजरी देख रहे हैं ना क्या फज क्यों देखो बू ओ छोकरी अब जाती देख कब एक बार फाज देखो क्या फज क्यों देखो ने
ada Zen.
Slow.
Hey!
Come. Continue. Right. Right. Slow. Easy. Right. Don't see me.
क्या हुआ
Listen your words. Understand? One more time, ready? These 5 rounds. Understand? One more time, ready? One more videos now, ready? 1, 2, 3.
चुप क्या हो रही थी
Only last. Understand?
Hey, come here.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದು.
वीडियो ऑन है, वीडियो ऑन है, चुकी खत्म करो ना।
पानी पड़नी है इधर वाला पानी
One, two, three, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Right. Focus it. Focus it. Continue, ma. Very good. Continue. Yes, very good.
Hey,
Who teaches you appointment? Where is their appointment? You only signal we are. Continue. Continue. No one is running there. Continue. Last 2 rounds. Now go to new step. Last 2 rounds.
अरे
Last 2 rounds. Then Sultan.
अब तो इधर का जाओ बा,
Coming last.
बाबा, बाबा अभी इधर का जाओ बा।
Last 2 rounds. पकड़ने के थ्रो बार.
पकड़ जाओ।
Last 1 round. Bubbles very important. When you are going to swimming in your apartment or anywhere, but bubbles very important. Walk. Leave no face mask on the yes. Bubbles. Walk in bubbles. Yes. Slow and leg movement. And 2 steps. Now we go to hand movement. How to hand? This is very important. This wrong one. Just tight your hands. Every time you need to get any coach. And it's very important to cut the water. When you are doing like that, it's also very important. But you go to straight one. Understand? You go to straight, then put the water. It's very tough one. Understand? Understand this first class. No, newcomer. So, don't do.
Hey,
Ready? Everyone listen. The formula is there. 4 by 2, 4 by 1, 1 by 1. Formula means formula is 1, 2. Number 3, you come out the head up.
hey,
Then take more.
ज्यादा हने हटा नहीं, हने को ज्यादा
Formula number 3.
पानी पिला दो।
Formula only 2 means
पानी पीने
then
कुआनी तो आ जाओ ऊपर को, तो कुआं खकार को।
this side. Formula 2. 2 only can practice. Up to this camp. Only 2. 2 means listen. Listen me. 2. Just 1. 2 you can practice. Come out.
बैठो बा।
Take yes. Backward. Okay, don't. Just take up. For example. Listen me. Girls, boys, listen me. This is 1, 2, 3. Understand? 1 time, go. Second one, you come out. Third one, automatic go. Fourth one, you come out. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Take 2 steps to come out. Take it. Right? First time you not drop method. Understand? Wrong. Up and take yourself. ಲೆಗ್ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು. What is your name? Gautam, you are not doing leg movement. Okay? Get back. You are not doing leg movement, only hand movement like that is going you. Understand? Correction. Only hand movement going you. Leg movement not. Continue. Understand? 1, 2, 3. Leg and hand both also very important. Hey boy, I'm teaching like that. How to teach that? Show me. Okay. Correction. This is not a step. This is wrong mode. 1, 2, 3. What I do? What I teach you last? Titanic, how is there? Triangle. Like that only you can go. You doing like that. Okay? Correction. 1, 2, 3. A little bit correct. You remember first one, second one correct, third one you go to straight one. Why? Leg movement not coming. You come in. Go there. Come.
Yay!
You also enter. Come. Women come.
इसका मजा होगा.
ऐसा नहीं उससे उन्हें अच्छा करता.
ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡು ನೀನು ಜಂಪ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್
कंटिन्यू अंदा
खाली उसमें चल शॉर्ट वीडियो कुत्ता ऐसा
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್
ಕಾಲೇ ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಕೊಂಡ
ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ
ಅಮ್ಮ LKG ಮಗು ನೀನು ಮಾಡು.
ಯು ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲಂಚ್ ಸಾರಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಚಲೋ
ಬಿಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡೈ ಬಡಿ ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಬಡಿ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೊಡಿಮಾ ಯಾರಿಗೆ
ಜೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಜೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಲಿ ಚಲೋ ಜೈ ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವನೇನೋ ಸಾಹಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಅದು ನೋಡ ಅಷ್ಟ ನೋಡ ನೀನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ
ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ನೀವು
ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ನಡೆ
ಫ್ಲೋಟ ಬಿಡು ಮುಗ್ ಬಿಡು ಫ್ಲೋಟ್
ನೀನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೋದ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನೀನು ಇವಾಗ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಇಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಬಾ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ABCD ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ
ಲಾಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ನೈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀನು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಜಂಪ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡು ನಡೆ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗ ನಡಿ ಫ್ಲೋಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹತ್ ಕಡೆ ನಡಿ ಹತ್ ಕಡೆ ನಡಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದೆ ಹತ್ ಕಡೆ ನಡಿಯೋ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಬಾಪುಡ ಅಲ್ಬೇಡ ಬಾ ನೀನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದಾನೆ ಮಾಡು ನಡಿ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕು
ಓಕೆಮ್ಮ
ಹಾಂ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಇಂದ ಅಮ್ಮ ನೋಡು ಅವನೇ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡು ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡು ಅವನೇ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಮತ್ತೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಕಳಿಸಿ ನನಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಕೋಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇವಾಗ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ
ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಪುಟ ಮಾಡಿ
ಗೋ ಅಮ್ಮು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಡು ದ್ವಿತೀಯ
इनको दाल भाई थमकोड़ी मत थमकोड़ी अಮ್ಮ
ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಇಂದ
चिरंत
चुप माँ वीडियो पकड़ा जंदे से दाल तू उठा को
ಓಕೆ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಾರ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಲೇ ಅವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಳ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡು ನೀನು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಬರ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ನೀನೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಡಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಡಿ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಜಂಪ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಓಕೆ ಬೇ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ದಿಕ್ಕಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ದಿಕ್ಕಿ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಂಪ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಈ ಥರ ಆ ಥರ ಓಕೆ जंप
क्यों करते बात ही